You know what I've been craving? It's a Tamago Sando, or a Japanese-style egg salad sandwich that you sometimes find in convenience stores like 7-Eleven in Japan. Here's a simple keto version, so let's go! Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel where we talk about quick and easy, delicious, nutritious, and low-carb food. Please like and subscribe, and I'll bring you new videos every week. To start out, you're going to need to boil some eggs. I like to medium boil them, so not quite soft boil and not quite hard boil. And using one of these Dash egg cookers, it's a cinch. Given how many eggs I go through in a typical week, I might do a review video on gadgets that help with a ketogenic lifestyle. But if you don't have one of these egg cookers, you can always hard boil them in a pot. Once ready, I like to dunk them in some ice water just to stop the cooking process, and it also helps to make the shell easier to peel. Now to peel the eggs. Now I find the steaming method of the eggs, you need to poke a hole in the shell, but that also allows the ice water to flow between the shell and the cooked egg, which makes it quite easy to separate that membrane intact with the shell. All right, here we have one beautifully peeled egg. We'll slice this one in half and save that for the middle of the sandwich. Look at that perfectly cooked yolk. Not too hard, not too soft. All right, for the rest of the eggs, we're going to chop them up into small pieces. Now remember to save those two halves as a centerpiece. The rest we're going to mix with the flavoring. We'll start with 2 tablespoons of mayo. Now if you don't have the Japanese mayo, regular mayo works just fine. Next, a tablespoon of mustard. 1 tablespoon of pickled relish. Salt to taste. Here I'm using Himalayan pink salt, but any salt will do. Some freshly ground black pepper. Here you could add some sweetener, whether it's sugar or swerve or none at all. And we'll just give it a good mix. It should be a nice creamy egg salad consistency with little chunks of egg, which gives it some texture. But overall, it should be a very creamy, smooth egg salad. And there you go. We are pretty much done. Time to make the sandwich. Now here I have 2 slices of keto bread. Obviously you can use regular bread if you're not on a low carb diet or lifestyle, but there's plenty of keto bread options out there. Here we have 1/2 of the whole egg that we put in the middle of the bread, and then we just cover it up with the egg salad we just made. I like to smooth it out from edge to edge so there's full egg salad in every single bite. Now you could totally eat this just like that, but to be extra fancy, you can slice off the crusts to make it look as much like the convenience store Tamago Sandos. Don't worry, I'm not wasting any of the crusts. That'll make a nice snack later. And finally, to slice it in half, right through that half of a whole egg that we put in the middle. And look at that, a thing of beauty. Slicing off the crust just makes it look oh so clean. And I just want it that way. I want it that way. Let's give it a taste, shall we? The bread is nice and soft. It is so creamy. That egg just well flavored and just what a wonderful mouthfeel. And because it is so creamy, the whole thing holds together. And there you have it, a super easy recipe for a classic Tamago Sando, or egg salad sandwich. That's it for another video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.